It was a cold, winter day and Mom was in the kitchen making soup. The house was quiet and the only sound was the simmering of the soup pot. Suddenly, the sound of glass breaking came from the living room. Mom ran to the living room to find a man trying to break into the house. She screamed and the man ran away. Mom called the police and they came to investigate. The police told her that she had done the right thing and that they would increase patrols in the area. Mom was shaken up, but she was thankful that she and her family were safe.